I've got great news. Number one, it's a custom PC built by Mnpctech and it's a giveaway. Number two, it's open to all countries. Before I share the highlight reel, the most important thing is the link to the giveaway is right in the video description at the top. Then after that is the link to my project log on Mnpctech where I share more details about this build. Then I've also shared some links to some of the products that I've used in this build that you may want to use yourself in your own builds or modifications. So on to the highlight reel of the Dirt Rally 2.0 gaming PC build by Mnpctech and Cooler Master. This case that I got, the SL600M by Cooler Master, I didn't really know a lot about the case. I watched some video reviews on it. I didn't have a lot of time to do the project, so I couldn't do a review on the case myself, but I'm thinking I should ask Cooler Master if I can get another one and do a review on it that's much more thorough than what's out there already by people. I feel that a lot of channels out there rushed through the review and didn't really explain all the different types of cooling configurations that the case offers. So I was actually pleasantly surprised when I opened it up. I'm like, oh, you don't have to do a vertical floor up and out cooling configuration. You can do a traditional one with fans in the front, or you can do liquid cooling with plenty of space for radiators, all kinds of different configurations. But I didn't even know about it. So it's almost like this case is a PC builder's best kept secret, or I should say PC modder if you're into modding. What I really liked about it is the aluminum exterior panels were easy to take off, dissect, and cut up. I like that about a case. I want it to be a blank canvas for me so I can just let my imagination go wild and do whatever I want without being restricted by anything. And I think that this case really offers that. Again, enter the giveaway. Let Cooler Master know that you appreciate the fact that they're offering this giveaway to everyone in the world. A lot of giveaways I've done of companies, they want to keep it right in the US because it's easier for them. So Cooler Master really stepped up with this giveaway. I appreciate it. I want to do another giveaway build with them because I love the fact that I can offer people that follow my work a chance at owning one of these PCs that comes out of our shop. So also, if you've never been to my store before, it's mnpctech.com, and use my voucher code MNFAN for 15% off your order. Also, we're now shipping overseas to the store, so you don't have to email us directly to make your overseas order. It's all done through the store, which is been a huge lifesaver for us. We don't have to do the old school stuff. So we're modernized, I guess, finally. Anyways, everybody, other projects going on, and I hope to record them and share them with you. Thank you for being a longtime supporter of Mnpctech, and I hope you have a great year. So that's forced air induction for the RTX right there. And if you don't need it, turn it off. So there you have it, Michael. That's how it works.